Hello everyone, and today we're going to briefly show you an upgrade to one of our LED profiles. This is the HLALU002S in 2 meters, which is the optic lens profile extrusion in 60 degrees. So the difference between this and the previous one is that on the previous one, the diffusion of the light with this optic lens wasn't the greatest, would say. So we decided to upgrade the diffuser, the optic lens, to a PMMA diffuser. Now with this type of diffuser, the diffusion of the light is practically perfect, and we will show you that in a second. As well as that, the channel, you have now 2 levels on the channel where you can slot in the aluminium flat bar, which is used for proper cooling of your LED strip, and with the 2 levels you're able to adjust the level of the light depending on your installation. So in this example, you can see how the light is being diffused with the old diffuser, where you can see some yellow smudge on the sides. Now in this example with the new PMMA diffuser, you can see how smoothly the light is being diffused, much better.